Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn a Madhubani peacock. I am painting this peacock on a canvas cloth. You can paint on the paper, any other thing, whatever you like. I'll be using acrylic paints and brushes. We also need a rug and we need water to our brushes. It's better that we draw the border lines with the ruler and in pencil first so that we can erase the things. As usual, things go wrong. So let's start. This is the basic drawing of our peacock, and this is the canvas cloth on which I am going to paint. So it is Madhubani, so everything has to have a double line. So once we will start painting with black paint, then we will have a double line around it. So our first step is to take a 000 number brush. This is 000, 0, and this is 000. Okay, 000 number brush, and we will give a black outline. This is fabric paint by Fabio. I'm using fabric paint because bag is something which people will wash also. So I'll start drawing the outline from here. The advantage of using fabric paint is that it won't get spoiled when we will wash it. Now around this, I will show the circles. ये हम पिकॉक की कलगी दिखा रहे हैं. इसके अंदर हम कलर भर सकते हैं. मैंने बॉर्डर बहुत सिंपल रखा है, आप लोग की इच्छा है. आप चाहें तो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड बना लीजिए. कुछ लोग पिकॉक की आई राउंड बनाते हैं, कुछ लोग मधुबनी में नॉर्मल आई जैसी बना देते हैं. ये आपकी इच्छा है, आप कैसी बनाना चाह रहे हैं. This is only in Madhubani that every line we have to double. Now this peacock is sitting on a branch of tree. We'll make little bit of branch because we have never made the tree. This thick branch will be double. Thin one can also be double, but at least black outline is compulsory. Now, Madhubani leaves will have black outline, either double line or full black outline. Okay. We'll fill the color little later. Or I will make one branch and show you how we have to do. So we have various ways. The most common is to fill color on one side and other side leave the black lines. Now we'll start decorating the branch. This is a thinner part, so we can just leave double lines. Now, bigger ones, the thicker lines, we have lots of work to do. हम इसमें बहुत तरह की कचनी कर सकते हैं. We can do lots of kachnis in this. So now I'm going to follow same pattern on all the thick branches. We have to give second coat of yellow because first one is not yet, base is not dry. इसमें मैं आपको ये पत्तियां भी कंप्लीट करके दिखा रही हूँ. हमारा ट्री ऐसा लगेगा. I'm trying to paint peacock with all the shades of blue. Let's see how it looks. Lower part I'll do little later because my hand may touch, and first I'll do the kachni work here. मधुबनी में सफेद रंग का यूज नहीं होता है, व्हाइट पेंट यूज नहीं होता है, लेकिन वो जो कपड़े का व्हाइट होता है या पेपर का व्हाइट होता है उसको बहुत इम्पोर्टेंस है। वो ऐसा का ऐसा ही रखा जाता है। कोशिश करी जाती है कि व्हाइट का फील आए, व्हाइट दिखता रहे। इसलिए ये देखिए मैं चेक भी बना रही हूँ, तो चेक में जो है ये व्हाइट में दिखा रही हूँ। Our peacock will look like this. We complete it, and I hope you like the tutorial. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing my YouTube channel, Vandana's Art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.